Okay, in this program I will show you how to start a studio and write a program. So we'll go to from scratch, and I have to start from scratch because that was a previous program. So start Visual Studio and create a new project. Console application, click that, and next give the name compute average or compute test average. And it will go to the default folder, create. Take a few seconds. So this is your main default program setting. It will have the IO stream to input output. You have the main modules. You don't need the extra comments. Take it out. And if you don't put the another preprocessor or command, then you will be missing some of the functions. So we will use the math function. Include C math, and we don't need a semicolon for this one, and then we have to use the namespace std so that we don't have to use the other time std input output. So using, and you can always select whatever the command that you are using it is available. Using namespace, and it will give you suggestions. Obviously the suggestion from the compiler, less error will be there. So now we don't need this. So we have to declare three variables. Declare variables to store input test scores from user. So we have to be double test 1, test 2, test 3, and so we can have the input or compute the input average, test average. So another variable is and average. So we will have the variable for that also. And you can combine them or you can have separately. Get the input from user, and for that you have to give a appropriate message so that you can get the input. Enter the first test code. Put one extra space, and then you have to always end your line with semicolon. And this is the input command cin, and the operator will change from output to input, and then you will use the variable that you have just assigned. So whatever is input will go in that variable. To save time, we will copy and paste and change the message or variable name. Copy. So the first time we paste, and that is the second test score. And the variable name is test2. Then one more time, and third test score, and test3. And it's going to check for all those variables that you have defined. If there anything wrong, the error message will be there, and a wiggly curly or wiggly red line under that. Now compute the average. So average is my variable name, and it's always give you some suggestion from the compilers. That's always a good practice. Test one. Test two. Test three. Always divided by the double. Even if you don't have the value in that to be double, so just put it 0 so that your output will be accurate number. And now we have to display the average. See out. And if I give a wrong operator, then it will give me a message, and the wiggly curly at the bottom will be still there. I'm going to show you how to check those things. Average score. If you have problem, mistake in your typing, or you can always go back and correct it, because whatever you put in the quotation, that is just a message. And sometimes I make a mistake and then I go back and correct it. To display the output, first the text message, and then again the operator, and then the variable that you are using it, or the text also. Oh, I got a spelling mistake. So average, that was the name of the variable, average. And then always a good practice to end the line with a handle, that is a, it will take the cursor to the next line. And you can see, because of this error here, this one is still a not a correct syntax, and this also is not correct syntax, so that is the error it is showing it. And just one extra character that I missed, and everything will be correct. Extra lines after that you don't need it, so you can take it out. Now you have to go and build the project. So build solution. At the bottom you must be see that everything is correct. Build 1, succeed 0, failed 0. That is what you should have a correct program. So you can run the program from here, local window debugger, and enter the first score 90, 89, 88, and the average score is 89. Let's try one more time to get the some decimal component. So we'll close this one. Try one more time. So 90, 89, 97 and 94. Yes, not 92. This is the actual answer. If I don't have the number that will give you a decimal component, then you will get a whole number as a basic number. And I hope you understood this, how to do it. Put the program, and that's it.